Hi, I'm Camille Parker from Camille'sDish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Italian chickpea salad. We're going to start with some chickpeas, red and green bell peppers, some sliced red onion, a little fresh parsley, lemon juice, dried oregano, red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This salad's very simple to compose, just has a few ingredients. We're going to start with the chickpeas. Now the chickpeas, I've used canned chickpeas here, and there's one trick that I like to do with canned chickpeas, and that is to strain out the liquid that's in the can already, put them in some new water in a separate container, and put a little bit of salt in that water and let them sit for a couple of hours to overnight. So the salt is going to absorb into the chickpea and give you the full flavor of the bean itself, rather than just dressing it with salt on the end and not being able to get the full flavor of the chickpea. So that's my little trick for canned chickpeas. So now I'm just going to add the bell peppers to the chickpeas. You can use whatever color bell peppers you like. If you want to use yellow, green, and red, that would be even more beautiful. Today I just have the green and red. And then I'm going to add some sliced red onion. Now, I don't like to go overboard on sliced red onion. I guess it depends on who you have in your house and how close they're going to get to you later. So just a few of those for a little pungency and a little pop. And then I'm going to add my fresh parsley. Now you can see that the parsley isn't chopped completely. It's actually just pulled off of the stems. I like to leave the leaves whole. I think that it's more beautiful, you can identify it, and I really like the flavor of the parsley as a separate component in the salad. I'm also going to add some dried oregano. Now this is very special dried oregano. I got it from my 92-year-old grandfather who grows it in his backyard. He's from Sicily. He thinks he has to. I don't know. Anyway, if you have a grandfather who grows oregano, I suggest you use his. Otherwise, grocery store variety will have to do. So then I'm also going to add a little lemon juice and a little red wine vinegar. I kind of like to go the gamut on this one. So not just a vinaigrette and not just a citrus dressing. A little bit of both is nice. And then a little drizzle of olive oil, of course. And I always finish with a little bit of salt and pepper. Of course, we want to go a little easy on this one because we've already salted the beans, so you've got to be careful about that. But a little crack of pepper there, and give it a stir. Now, the longer this one sits, the tastier it's going to be. All the beans are going to absorb all of the lemon juice and the oregano and all the wonderful flavors that the rest of the ingredients have to offer there. So I hope you enjoy this Italian chickpea salad. I'm Camille Parker from Camille'sDish.com.